Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at FXFair. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FXFair is an international broker that is owned and operated by Fair Group and is licensed in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. This broker does not appear to be fully regulated. However, client funds are held in segregated accounts with trusted banks, which adds some credibility. FXFair offers 3 types of trading accounts that can be used on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and all accounts have negative balance protection. The customer support team is available 24 hours a day on weekdays via email. However, there is currently no telephone support channel. FXFair offers a wide range of Forex pairs, metals, energies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies, and there are more than 50 tradable currency pairs. The spreads on currency pairs typically start from as low as 0.1 pips on the zero spread and professional accounts, and 1.5 pips on the standard account. When you open an account with this broker, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 100 on the professional account, and up to 1 to 500 on the zero spread account. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will not only be exposing yourself to better market opportunities, but also far greater financial risks. So be sure to use margin responsibly and only within the limits of your budget. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with FXFair, hover your cursor over the Transaction tab and choose an instrument from the Products menu, or explore the options under the Transaction Terms menu. If you require any assistance, you can reach the FXFair customer support team by requesting a callback or starting an email conversation through the web ticket portal. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you can submit your ticket by scrolling to the bottom of the FAQ page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. If you own a website or have a large following of traders or investors on social media, you can increase your account balance and earn commission through the FXFair affiliate program. All you need to do is get them to join using your unique referral link, and if they meet the minimum requirements, you will receive a cash bonus. If it is your first time trading, the safest and easiest way to start trading is by opening a demo account with FXFair. Using a demo account will allow you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds, and it will give you an opportunity to test the platforms and learn the basics. Before you open an account, we recommend reading through the introductory guides to gain a basic understanding of how trading works. Once you have familiarized yourself with the basics, you can check out some of the market analytics tools and resources to start practicing using a demo account. We recommend developing your trading strategy and style before you open a real account. The accounts offered by this broker are suitable for all styles of trading. So if you've been trading for a while, then simply choose the account that best aligns with your trading goals. Up to 5 accounts can be held per client in total, and you can open one of each account to see which one you prefer the most. As an FXFair client, you can use MetaTrader 4. This platform was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts that you can monitor and analyze the markets with in real time. MetaTrader 4 is highly customizable and secure, and is also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Overall, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. This platform can be viewed in more than 20 international languages and can also be used for expert advisor trading and backtesting strategies. MetaTrader 4 can be downloaded for free from this broker's website, Google Play, or the official MetaTrader websites. You will be able to use this platform on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. And if you would prefer not to download any software, you can simply use the WebTrader. The MetaTrader 4 mobile application is beginner-friendly and free to use. This application has been downloaded by more than 10 million traders worldwide, and it has a 4.6-star rating on Google Play, making it one of the most trusted trading platforms. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4, hover your cursor over the Tools tab and choose an option from the platform menu for a full list of features and direct download links. There are 3 types of accounts that you can open with FXFair, and this broker also offers demo accounts. The live trading accounts you can open with FXFair are the standard, zero spread, and professional accounts. The standard account is an entry-level beginner-friendly account with all the basic features you need to start your trading career. The zero spread account offers tighter spreads and can be used for scalping. The Pro account is designed for professional traders and is a commission-free, straight-through processing account. A minimum deposit of only $51 is required to open any of these accounts, and all accounts can be used on MetaTrader 4. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing using a demo account first until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions FXFair offers, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and head over to the Account Types page. Creating an account with FXFair may take up to 24 hours. However, creating an account is also free, and you can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the FXFair homepage, and then click on the Open a Real Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. And once your account has been verified, you can log in to the client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or a withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. After your account has been verified and approved, the next step would be to download the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 4, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with FXFair. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. You can make a secure deposit using bank cards, bank transfer, or perfect money. Your account can be funded using several currencies, including US dollars, the Japanese yen or Bitcoin. Deposit and withdrawal fees will depend on the payment method you choose, the country you live in, and the value of your transaction. You can also make a withdrawal using any of the supported deposit methods. If you are new to trading, we recommend reading the introductory guides provided before opening an account to make sure you understand how trading works. FXFair provides market news and in-depth trade analysis, so we recommend bookmarking these pages and checking them often to see what's driving the markets. They provide trade analysis, which covers total profit and loss, average profit-loss for each currency pair, average profit-loss for sell and buy, transaction ratio per currency pair, lot ratio per currency pair, sell-to-buy ratio, and position holding time. This feature helps you analyze your trades under any market conditions, so you can better understand your trading behavior and patterns. It will also help you identify under which conditions you perform the best, which will assist in avoiding market trends that will make you lose money in the long run. FXFair does not seem to have a native economic calendar or market analysis tools. However, MetaTrader 4 comes with plenty of built-in tools and resources for research and analysis. We would also recommend bookmarking their trading glossary to use as a reference when you come across new terminology or any unfamiliar words. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies and trading different instruments at your own pace, while you practice on your free demo account, so there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. Overall, FXFair offers flexible accounts and competitive spreads on a variety of instruments. As a client, you can use MetaTrader 4, which is one of the most popular trading platforms in the world today. The FXFair affiliate program is a great way to earn extra income if you own a website or have a large following on social media. So if you are interested, why not give it a try? FXFair has been around for many years and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of FXFair. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.